How to fix Telegram contacts not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram contacts not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Click Telegram and then click storage and then clear cache, and after that just go back and go to permissions, this one here, click on it, and as you see here you will find contacts. Now all you need to do, just click on it and click allow, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Telegram. So just go to Play Store and check if there is an update here, and then just update your Telegram, and that's it. Restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.